So guys, let's take a quick look at this GBPJPY for the next day. So today we actually had a bearish move, right? On this GBPJPY. So I don't think this bearish move is over. So we would want to see a further bearish move before we continue this bullish move on JPY. So have it in mind that this GBP PS is kind of like giving us a bullish move, no doubt about that. So I mean we should expect a further bullish move on this GBPJPY. So you would see this movements like this on this GBPJPY. You see this as an up bullish move, a pullback here. You can take a look at this a movement up. So we should see we are having a drop, right? If you notice that this ice actually broke this previous ice, right? Price go to a level of 169, right? It got to a level of 169, which actually broke this previous level that got to a level of 168. So this ice actually broke this previous ice. So this will consider this as a new ice. So let's see if this price will drop a little bit. Then we will continue our bullish move again on this GBPJPY. So still expect a bullish move. Secondly, is that why we would be expecting a bullish move on this GBPJPY is that this price is still trading above our moving average. We should only consider this as a bearish move, or we should consider to sell on this on this space if this price eventually drops and breaks below our moving average. If this price starts trading below this moving average, then we can go ahead to sell or look for a sell position. But as long as we are still seeing it trading above our 10 period moving average, then this is still a bullish move. So let's see what this 4 hour time frame actually says. So you would see this as an impulse move. Can you see, right? You are seeing an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can still see this price. It was trading above this moving average. Now this price has dropped, which has broken this 10 period moving average. Let's see if this price will actually drop further down, at least to a level of 166. Currently, we are trading at 167. So let's see if this price will drop to a level of 166. Then you would expect a bullish move. So that will be on the 4 hour time frame. To place this trade for the next day, you would want to go to the 4 hour time frame. See this price drop to a level of 166. Reason is that we've seen multiple reaction at this level, so we should expect price to come to this level also. You can see that once price has tapped this level previously here, you can see price give us tap this level and give us a pullback. We also saw price drop to the same level again before it went up. So let's see if this price actually drop to the same level of 166. Then we would continue our bullish move. So we would want to continue our bullish move on GBP but we should still see a further drop before we continue our bullish move. And if price does not give us a further drop, then we should continue our bullish move from here on GBPJPY. But let's watch out for a level to a level of 160 before we continue this bullish move. And now let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. So you can clearly see that this is a drop on the 1 hour time frame. This is a drop, right, which is trading below this moving average on the 1 hour time frame. Let's consider this as a pullback. If we can have one more drop, then we will now continue our bullish move on GBP JPY.